Good morning, friends, and today we are going to continue our chapter 1 of Maths, class 11th. There is lecture 7th, and today what we are going to learn today is we are going to learn the complement of a set. So, what is a complement of a set? Complement means if you have a set, then other than this set, what is the value of another set? So, that's it. That is called complement of another set. Complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A be the subset of U. As you can see from here, U is the universal set and A is a subset of U, universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all element. Complement of A is the set of all element which are not the element of A. So all you have to do is just subtract or just remove all the elements of A from the union set, then you will get the complement of the set. The complement is represented by A dash, which is equals to the U minus A, means just remove all the elements of A from union. The left element will be the complement of A. Some properties of complement sets are the law of complement, that is A union A dash is equals to union. Suppose this is A and all the elements other than A is the A complement, and combining these two, A plus A union A complement union A will be the universal set. Okay, so what is the next second law? A intersection A dash is phi. If you want to find out the common element in A and A dash, you will get nothing common. So that's what here is written. A intersection A complement is phi. What is De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law says that A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. Or the second De Morgan's law is A intersection B whole complement is equals to A complement union B complement. Means if here you will have union and after doing the complement you will here get intersection. If here you will have intersection, then after doing complement you will have union between two sets. So this law is called De Morgan's law. The law of double complementation. If you double twice the complement, you will again get the same set A. The law of empty set and universal set, that is phi dash is equals to U and U dash is equals to phi. So these are few basics law commonly used in complement theory. To understand easily understanding the complement theory, these some basics law are generally needed. Coming to the first example based on complement, here you are given an universal set and the set A, and you will have to find the A complement. As I already told you that A complement is equals to union minus A. That means you will have to eliminate all the elements of A from universal set and then you will get the complement set. So I am writing down the common elements between U and A. So 1 is there, 1 cut down, 3 is there, so 3 cut down, 5 is there, 7 is there, and 9 is there. So 5, 7 and 9. So I will write all the elements of A, all the elements of union other than after removing the set A from this. So only these elements are left in union. 2, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the elements of A complement. Means to find A complement, what you have to do, you will have to subtract the element, or you will have to find the difference of union and A. Coming to second question. Let U be the universal set of all class 11th student on a co-education school. U is the student of class 11th of a co-educational school, okay, and A be the set of all girls of class 11th, then what will be the A complement? A complement means subtracting all girls from class 11, so what you will get, the all boys of class 11. So that's how we find the A complement. Coming to our example number 3 today. So this is the example number 1, this is example number 2, and now we are doing example number 3 here. So in example number 3 we are giving a set union 1 2 3 4 5 6 and A 2 3 and B 2 3 4, and we will have to find the various things and just prove one result. So I'm writing A complement here. A complement is the U minus A, so I'm subtracting A from U. So 2 3 2 3, what are the element left in the U is 1 4 5 6. Okay, we did the A complement, now we will do B complement. B complement means subtracting all the elements of B from U. So 3 4 5 is common in 3 4 5, so what are the element left in the B union is 1 2 and 6. So we done this, now we will have to do this. We will find A dash U intersection B dash. Okay. So A dash intersection B dash we will have to find out. So A dash is what? A dash is here and B dash is here. So we will have to find the intersection of, intersection means common element. So these two have 1 common and 6 common. So we will write 1 and 6 here. Okay. Now we did this, now we will have to find A union B. Okay, so we are finding A union B right now. A union B means writing all the elements of A and B together. That is A plus B actually. So we are writing 2 3 4 5. 2 3 and 3 4 5. 3 is repeated twice, so we will write it only once a while. Now we find all the fourth, and now they are saying to us to prove A union B complement is equals to A in complement intersection B complement. So if we want to prove this, we have already find A union B, just we need to do is A union B whole complement. Okay, so we will find A union B whole complement, means this A union B set has to remove from that union set. Okay, so what element we will have to remove? We will have to remove 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 4 5, what element left us? We had just 1 and 6 left in the universal set. Okay, so as you find here that A, and you find here from equation 1 and 2, you can easily see that from equation 1 and 2 we see that A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement. So here we proved it. You can write hence proved. So that's the end of our lecture number 7. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.